My name is Edward Yue. Here we are in Dr. Lee's Biomin Lab and UC Irvine. The project I'm working on is double emulsion droplet activated by high intensity focused ultrasound. We use the double emulsion droplet as a drug carrier to carry the cancer drugs and use ultrasound to get it released to cure the cancer. My grandfather is dying of the lung cancer. Right now in the lab, I think the technology we have could help people stay in health. I'm from China. Rather than a scientist, I prefer to say I'm an engineer. When I was a child, I really like to build up things, to break some things like radios or a toy, just to break them down and rebuild them to see what's the mechanism in it. The first time let me really want to get into this field was Dr. Lee's lab on chip class. In his class, he mentioned a lot of phenomena that we can see in our daily life, like why insects can stay on the surface of the water, why when it's raining outside we can see some droplets stay on the window. So that's all the macrofluidic phenomena. So I thought that's very interesting things. So just made me want to dig into this field. So that's the macrofluidic channel here. Walking in the lab, I know everything. I can control everything. Yeah, I know how to use the microscope. I know what the drug is for, and I know what can I use the computer to do. So I'm pretty confident when I'm working into the lab. This is my world. Yeah, and I feel like I can do everything in the lab. Yeah, just focus on your things, and the lab will provide you everything you need. That's the droplets. That's the droplet I made. You can see here. The pink color one, they're the droplets, double emulsion droplet I made. I think with this technology, we can build a device like every month you need them to check yourself. You just buy a box of the macrofluidic chip, and every month you put out one chip and to check if you're too much blood pressure or if you have cancer or some other kind of disease. It feels like for young kids, if they have the passion about the science, they want to know what the knowledge, fundamental knowledge they learn in the school can apply to what field. So they should come to the lab to use their knowledge to build up things of their own. Just come to the lab and stay here, and you will finally find your own interests.